We'll guide you through how to make a Google spreadsheet. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Google has an app where you can go and create spreadsheets. This is really convenient because you can go and add numbers together, you can multiply them and manage data in there. To get started, you can come into Google, just come to google.com and make sure sign in the top right with a Google account. You can see I am. Press Google Apps in the top right. And what you can do is go and find Drive. It's in my favorites, but you can scroll down and go and find it. Then what you can do is go to the top left and you can go and click New. And then you'll see the option for Google Sheets. And what you can then do is you can go and select blank spreadsheet or from a template. In this case, I'm going to go and choose a blank spreadsheet. So to get started at the top, we can give this a name so we can easily find it again in the future in our Drive. So you can click here and I'll just go and remove what it currently says. I'm going to name this GuideRealm example. And then you can press enter and it'll go and save. So then you've got the main spreadsheet down here. So you could go and give this a title, for example, class. And then you could go and put in mark. What you can do is go and select these and I'll just press Control B just to go and make them bold. And I could put in A here. And I could then go and put in the mark. So I could go and put in 22, let's say. And you go and get the idea. You can go down here and you can go and start putting and inputting your data. Now, to do different things with it, like add or multiply, you can go and click into a cell or just go and move using the arrows, press equals, which is going to create a formula. There's lots of different formulas you could do. Then you could go and click on a cell. I could click on B2, which is this here. Then you could go and put in a star to multiply or plus to add, for example. There are different things you could divide, subtract, and click another, then press enter and I'll add them together. There are different things you can go and do with it, but that is how you can go and make one.